touching it with her ears.
Jesus.
He has no clue.
Oh!
Dogs know their job so well. Oh. If he still touches the fence, who is it?
Shiver me timbers.